This week, debt management news has surrounded the choices consumers have to make when confronted with debt problems. However, we learned the forthcoming Consumer Credit Directive could leave us more confused than ever. Due on February the 1st, as few as 1 in 10 consumers actually understand what the directive will mean for them, whilst more than half don't even know what it is. The start of this week also saw the arrival of Blue Monday, the day on which issues like debt problems are statistically said to feel more depressing than on any other day of the year. Debt management expert Kevin Still says debt worries will be one of the main causes of concern on Blue Monday, as credit card statements hit the doormat after the festive season and the realisation that December's salary payment will not stretch to the next payday at the end of January. That's why a leading financial planner says households coping with debt problems in 2011 should try and have the strongest judgment possible for their welfare in the long run. Martin Bamford of Informed Choice thinks families have to map out their budgets and make tough decisions about how money is spent.